Second problem, find the derivatives of the following functions. The first question is x equal to sine h square y. Second one is x equal to tan h square y. Third one, x equal to sine hy. Fourth one, x equal to tan of e power minus y. Fifth one, x equal to log of 1 plus sine square y. Sixth one, x equal to log of 1 plus root y. Here, first solution, x equal to sine h square y. They are asking the derivatives of the following. Here x function, x is in the function of y variable means we can differentiating with respect to y. So dx by dy equal to d by dy of sine h square y. Sine h square y differentiation is 2 sine hy, 2 minus 1 is 1, and again d by dy of sine hy. So u square, it is simply u square. We know that d by dx or dy of u square equal to u power n equal to n u power n minus 1, again u dash. The same way u is nothing but sine hy derivative. Sine hy derivative is cos hy. 2 sine hy into cos hy, that is equal to sine 2 sine hy cos hy. This is nothing but 2 sine hy under root of 1 plus sine square hy. Why? Because in the hyperbolic, sine square hy minus cos square hy equal to 1. Cos square hy or cos h square y minus sin h square y equal to 1. That is the identity in the hyperbolic. In the general ratio is cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1. So from this, cos hy equal to under root of 1 plus sin square hy, sin h square y or sin square hy. In this, dx by dy equal to 2 sin hy under root of 1 plus sin h square y. Then dy by dx reciprocal equal to 1 by 2 sin hy under root of 1 plus sin h square y. In these two cases are there. One is case 1, if y is greater than 0. Case 2, if y is less than 0. If y is greater than 0 means root x equal to sin hy. Then x square equal to, squaring on both sides. X equal to sin h square y. So in the place of sin h square y x, in the place of sin hy root x. So dy by dx equal to, it's 1 by 2x under root of 1 plus x square. 1 by, in the place of sin hy root x, in the place of sin square hy is x. So it is 1 plus x. That is equal to 1 by 2. Root a into root b is root ab x plus x square. It is case 1. For case 2, y less than 0 means minus root x equal to sin hy. Squaring on both sides, x equal to sin h square y. So dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 sin hy means it's root minus root x under root of 1 plus x. It is equal to minus 1 by 2 under root of x plus x square. This is the solution. Why? Because if y function is in x, then y dy by dx is also involved in x only. If they are asking to find dx by dy means it's okay. If find out the dy by dx means convert into x variable. In these two cases are there, one is y is greater than 0, another one is y is less than 0. The same way second problem also. Second one, they have given x equal to tan h square y. Now differentiating with respect to y. Dx by dy equal to d by dy of tan h square y. It is also u power n, that is 2 tan hy. Again d by dy of tan hy. It is equal to 2 tan hy. Tan hy differentiation is secant h square y. Okay. Now dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 tan hy into secant h square y. We know that secant h square y means that is 1 minus tan secant h square y plus tan h square y equal to 1. So secant h square y equal to 1 minus tan h square y. Substitute here, it is equal to 1 by 2 tan hy into 1 minus tan h square y. Now in this also two cases are there. First case, if y is greater than 0. Second case, if y is less than 0. If y is greater than 0 means from this the positive root x equal to tan hy. Squaring on both sides, x equal to tan h square y. Substitute in above. So dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 tan hy is root x, 1 minus tan h square y is x. Okay. So root x into 1 minus x is the derivative if if y is greater than 0. Y is less than 0 means minus root x equal to tan hy. Squaring on both sides, x equal to tan h square y. Again in this dy by dx equal to, in the place of tan hy, that is minus root x and 1 minus x square. 1 minus x only, not x square. Why? Because h square, tan h square y value is x. It is equal to minus 2 by, minus 1 by taking minus to numerator, 2 root x into 1 minus x. Third question. Third one, x equal to e power sin hy. Now we can differentiating with respect to y. Dx by dy equal to e power x differentiation, e power same x only, sin hy. Again sin hy derivative, d by dy of sin hy. It is equal to e power sin hy. Sin hy derivative is cos hy. It is e power hy equal to x cos hy, since x equal to e power sin hy. So dy by dx equal to 1 by x cos hy. It is the solution. If we want to change cos hy means both sides take log. So it is, in this case, take log, that is log x equal to sin hy, and cos hy equal to 1 minus sin square sin h square y, that is 1 minus log x whole square. That will come, or no need, up to here it's okay. Fourth one, x equal to tan of e power minus y. It is also differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to y because x is in y variable. So dx by dy equal to tan derivative, that is d by dy of tan of e power minus y, that is nothing but tan u. Tan u means d by dx or d by dy of or d by du of whatever the thing. It's tan u means this is equal to secant square u and u dash. In the same thing, with respect to y means tan of something is, that is tan differentiation is secant square, the same function will come e power minus y. Again d by dy of e power minus y. It is equal to e power minus y differentiation is minus e power minus y. That is nothing but again it will come e power minus y d by dy of minus y, that is minus e power minus y secant square of e power minus y, that is dx by dy equal to minus e power minus y secant square of e power minus y. Secant square of e power minus y means minus e power minus y 1 plus tan square of e power minus y. It is equal to minus e power minus y 1 plus x square. So dy by dx equal to 1 by minus e power minus y into 1 plus x square. Next problem, it's the fifth one. Fifth one is x equal to log of 1 plus sine square y. Here we can take directly x equal to, or we can apply the exponential on both sides. If differentiating with respect to differentiating with respect to y means dx by dy equal to d by dy of log of 1 plus sine square y. Okay, it is nothing but log of something. Log u means 1 by u. 1 by 1 plus sine square y. Again d by dy of 1 plus sine square y. It is equal to 1 by 1 plus sine square y. 1 differentiation is 0 plus sine square y differentiation 2 sine y. Again d by dy of sine y differentiation. It is 2 sine y differentiation is cos y by 1 plus sine square y. It is sine 2y by 1 plus sine square y. So from this, taking on both sides exponential, e power x equal to 1 plus sine square y. So here we can write it as dx by dy equal to sine 2y, 1 plus sine square y means e power x. Then reciprocal dy by dx equal to e power x by sine 2y. So this is the solution. Next, sixth problem. X equal to log of 1 plus root y. So in this also taking exponential on both sides, e power x equal to 1 plus root y. Now we can differentiating with respect to y on both sides. If we take differentiating for the x equal to log of 1 plus root y, the next differentiation is dx by dy equal to d by dy of log of 1 plus root y. it is equal to 1 by 1 plus root y. Again derivative d by dy of 1 plus root y. It is equal to 1 by 1 plus root y. 1 differentiation is 0. Root y differentiation is 1 by 2 root y. So it is equal to 1 by 2 root y into 1 plus root y. Here 1 plus root y is nothing but root x, e power x. 1 by 2 root x into e power, 2 root y into e power x. Here from this we can write it as root y equal to e power x minus 1 also. So it is equal to 1 by e power 2 e power x into e power x minus 1, or simply it is dx by dy. Okay, dy by dx equal to 2 e power x into e power x minus 1. Okay, or simply we can write it as 2 root y into 1 plus root y. It is equal to 2 into root y plus root y into root y, it's y. It is in x or y, whatever the thing. Next problem, find the derivatives of the following functions. First one, cos of log of cot x. Cos of log of cot x. Sin h inverse of u by v. Log of cot of 1 minus x square. Sin of cos of x square. Sin of tan inverse of e power x. Sin of ax plus b by cos of cx plus d. Tan inverse of tan h of x by 2. Eighth one, it's u, it is v. It's no worries. Sin x into tan inverse x whole square. The first question how we are taking means, let y is equal to cos of log of cot x. Means we are differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Dy by dx equal to d by dx of cos of log of cot x. Since d by dx of cos x or cos u equal to minus sin u into d by dx of u. The same way here, cos means minus sin of the same function log of cot x. Again d by dx of log of cot x. Here again we are applying d by dx of log u. It is 1 by u into d by dx of u. Here it is equal to minus sin of log of cot x into log of cot x is 1 by cot x. Again d by dx of cot x. We know that derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. So it is equal to minus sin of log of cot x into 1 by cot x into minus cosec square x. It is equal to minus into minus plus. So dy by dx equal to cosec square x by cot x into sin of log of cot x is the solution. Next, second one. Let y equal to Sine h inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Here differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to d by dx of sine h inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Here we know that d by dx of sine h inverse u equal to 1 by under root of 1 plus u square, again u dash, again derivative of u. Here it is equal to 1 by 1 plus, in the place of u, 1 minus x by 1 plus x whole square under root, again d by dx of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Again here we can apply d by dx of u by v equal to v u dash minus u v dash by v square. Here simplify 1 by under root of 1 plus x whole square means that will come in the numerator 1 plus x. It's under root of 1 plus x whole square is 1 square plus x square minus 2x plus 1 minus x whole square is 1 square plus x square minus 2x. Here plus 2x, here minus 2x, plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. Here 1 plus x whole square means 1 square plus x square plus 2x. 1 minus x whole square means 1 square plus x square minus 2x. Its denominator 1 plus x whole square under root means that will come in the numerator. And it is in the form of u by v. So v equal to 1 plus x d by dx of u is 1 minus x minus u is 1 minus x d by dx of v is 1 plus x by 1 plus x whole square. Here 1 plus x, here 1 plus x get cancelled. Now we can simplify it. Dy by dx equal to 1 by under root of 2 common 2 plus 2x square means 2 into 1 plus x square into here 1 plus x, derivative of 1 is 0, minus x is minus 1 minus 1 minus x, derivative of 1 plus x is 1. Why? Because 1 derivative is 0, x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x. It is equal to minus 1 minus x, here minus 1 plus x by under root of 2 into 1 plus x square, again into 1 plus x. Here dy by dx equal to, here minus x plus x cancel, minus 2 by 1 plus x into under root of 2 plus 2x square or 2 into 1 plus x square. Here simplification of this means root 2, here 2 will get minus root 2 by 1 plus x into under root of 1 plus x square or up to here. Next problem, third one. Let y equal to log of cot of 1 minus x square. Here differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to d by dx of d by dx of log of cot of 1 minus x square. So log of means 1 by cot of 1 minus x square, again d by dx of cot of 1 minus x square. It is equal to 1 by cot of 1 minus x square. Cot differentiation is minus cosec square of 1 minus x square. Again d by dx of 1 minus x square. It is equal to minus cosec square of 1 minus x square by cot of 1 minus x square into derivative of 1 minus x square is 0 minus 2x. Minus into minus plus 2x. Cosec square of means 1 by sine square of 1 minus x square into cot means 1 by cos of 1 minus x square by sine of 1 minus x square. 1 sine get cancelled. It is equal to 2x by sine of 1 minus x square cos of 1 minus x square is the dy by dx. If we multiply and divide with 2, then it becomes 4x by sine 2 of 1 minus x square. So dy by dx equal to either 2x by sine of 1 minus x square into cos of 1 minus x square, or 4x into 1 by sine means cosec 2 of 1 minus x square. Fourth problem. Let y equal to sine of cos of x square. Differentiating with respect to y. With respect to x. Dy by dx equal to d by dx of sine of cos of x square. Sine differentiation is cos of x square. Again d by dx of cos of x square equal to cos of x square into cos x square differentiation is minus sine x square. Again d by dx of x square. Derivative of x square is 2x. It is equal to this minus right before, minus x square is 2x sine of x square cos of x square. It is the dy by dx. Fifth one. Let y equal to sine of tan inverse of e power x. In the shortcut way I am doing the fifth one. How we can here differentiating with respect to y, with respect to x. Y is differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx. Sine differentiation is cos of tan inverse of e power x. Tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus e power x whole square. Again e power x differentiation is e power x. In the one step it's completed. It is equal to e power x by 1 plus e power 2x cos of tan inverse of e power x. How we are doing this? Okay, the step by step means differentiation of tan inverse of e power x, again differentiation of e power x, like that. But cos differentiation is, sine differentiation is cos, tan inverse differentiation is 1 plus e power x whole square, e power x differentiation is e power x. Sixth problem. Let y equal to sine of ax plus b by cos of Cx plus d. It is in the form of u by v. U equal to sine of Ax plus b. V equal to cos of Cx plus d. U dash is cos of Ax plus b. Again Ax plus b differentiation is a. V dash equal to cos differentiation is minus sine of Cx plus d. Cx plus d differentiation is c. Applying the formula, dy by dx, y is differentiating with respect to x. It's d by dx of u by v equal to v u dash minus u v dash by v square. Here v is cos of Cx plus d. U dash is a cos of Ax plus b minus u is sine of Ax plus b. V dash is minus c of sine of Cx plus d whole by cos of Cx plus d whole square. So dy by dx equal to a cos of Ax plus b cos of Cx plus d plus c sine of Ax plus b sine of Cx plus d by cos square Cx plus d. The sixth one. Seventh one. Let y equal to tan inverse of tan h of x by 2. Here directly I am doing differentiating with respect to x. In the inset point of view, that is dy by dx. Tan inverse means 1 by 1 plus what is x? Tan h square x by 2. 1 plus x square. X square means x is nothing but tan h square x by 2. Again derivative of tan h x by 2. Tan h x by 2 is sec h square. What is x? X by 2. Again x by 2 differentiation is 1 by 2. It is equal to 1 by 2 into secant square secant h square x by 2 by 1 plus tan h square x by 2. 1 plus tan h square x by 2. Okay. It is the solution. Answer. Eighth one. Let y equal to sin x into tan inverse x whole square. It is in the form of uv. Differentiating with respect to x. Y differentiation is dy by dx. We know that d by dx of uv equal to u dash v plus uv dash. U is some sin u, v is this one. U dash is cos x tan inverse of x whole square plus u is sin x. Tan inverse x whole square differentiation is 2 tan inverse x. Again tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. So it is equal to cos x tan inverse x whole square plus 2 tan inverse x sin x by 1 plus x square.